Good morning children, welcome to Narayana live classes. In today's class, I am going to explain about classification of triangles. So triangles are classified into some types according to sides and according to angles also. So first of all, I would like to explain based on sides in how many ways the triangles are divided. So we have three types. According to sides, the triangles are divided into three types. In that first one is equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. What is meant by equilateral triangle? In a triangle, if lengths of all sides are equal, let me take one triangle here. ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle in which all the lengths of sides are equal. So AB length, BC length and CA length, those lengths are equal. Then we can say that triangle is a equilateral triangle. Once again, what is meant by equilateral triangle? A triangle in which all the lengths of sides are equal is called an equilateral triangle. So here we can see AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. All the sides are equal. So it is called an equilateral triangle. Now in equilateral triangle, not only sides, angles also will be equal. So what are the angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C. Their measures also will be same. Angle A equal to angle B equal to angle C. Their angles also will be equal in equilateral triangle. Okay. Next. Coming to the second one. The second type is isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle. What does it mean? Isosceles triangle means in a triangle if two sides are equal, then it is called isosceles triangle. Look at this triangle. Let us name the triangle as PQR. PQR is the triangle in which PQ side and QPR side, their lengths are same, means two sides are equal. Then it is said to be isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, we have one unequal side. No, what is the unequal side? QR. QR is the unequal side. That is nothing but base. We will say base of the triangle. So here QR is the base. Okay. Now on the base, two angles are rest. No, see at Q and at R also. Two angles are there. Those two angles measures will be equal. Means base angles are equal in an isosceles triangle. So in the triangle PQR, we have PQ length is equal to PR. PQ is equal to PR. Then the angles which are opposite to the sides, equal sides will be equal. What are those? Angle R is equal to angle Q. So in an isosceles triangle, the angles opposite to the equal sides are also equal. Okay. And what is the unequal side is called? That is called base. What is it called? Base of the triangle. Next, third one is scalene triangle. Scalene triangle. What is meant by scalene triangle? In a triangle, if no two sides are equal, means all the three sides will be with different measures, then such triangle is called scalene triangle. Let me draw a figure. See, look at this. Here you can observe, suppose if it is LMN triangle. In the triangle LMN, LM length, MN length and LN length, their lengths are different. I have marked with different symbols, means their lengths are different. So here no two sides are equal, isn't it? Therefore, we can call the triangle as scalene triangle. So LM length is not equal to MN length is not equal to LN length. So all the three sides are with different measurements. So that is called scalene triangle. See, if sides are different, obviously angles also will be different. So angle L is not equal to angle M is not equal to angle N. Okay? Now one more point I would like to tell you, that is, see, I told you in equilateral triangle all the three sides are equal, isn't it? In isosceles triangle only two sides are equal. So here when you compare equilateral triangle and isosceles triangle, the condition must be for a isosceles triangle is any two sides must be equal, isn't it? Now when you check the equilateral triangle, two sides are equal or not? These two sides equal, no? So we can call it as every equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle, because isosceles triangle property is what? Two sides must be equal. So in equilateral triangle also we have two sides are equal. Therefore we can say that every equilateral triangle is an isosceles triangle. Okay na? So children, in today's class we have discussed about classification of triangles according to sides. Those are equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle. Okay? So that's all for today. Thank you children.